1st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Mawkriah was robbed, and cash 28 lakhs 13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smit was looted, and cash about 35 lakhs 57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Myllem, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we've seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time.